In this video, we'll take you through the unboxing and included accessories of the HC40. The HC40 quick release kit comes with a quick release base pre-installed on the back. With this module, it can be mounted on HFK quick release mounts and is also compatible with BMW motorcycles equipped with OEM cradle for a direct, no modification installation. As for the included accessories, the package includes a set of standard tube clamps for 22 to 32 mm handlebars. The power system uses a heavy-duty main power cable. One end connects to the quick release mount to power the main unit, and the other end has 3 connectors: positive, negative, and ACC. They connect to the motorcycle battery's positive and negative terminals, as well as the ACC power. This allows the main unit to power on with the motorcycle. For added protection, we've included a storage pouch for the main unit and a dust cover for the quick release mount. A mechanical key is also included, allowing you to physically lock the display to the mount for added security. In addition, the package also includes HFK reflective decals. It provides added visibility when riding at night. Finally, let's take a quick look at the key differences between the 3 HC40 kits. Standard kit includes only the 22 to 32 mm standard tube clamps. The main unit does not come with a quick release base. It is designed for fixed installation. BMW kit comes with a pre-installed quick release base, but does not include the quick release mount for BMW motorcycles equipped with the OEM cradle. Quick release kit. This is the kit featured in this video. It comes with a quick release base, along with the quick release mount and a complete set of mounting accessories. It offers the most flexible setup for a wide range of riding scenarios.